Hurricane Milton intensified this Monday, October 7, reaching Category 5, the highest on the Saffir-Simpson scale, as it moved through the waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The hurricane has maximum wind speeds of 285 km per hour and higher gusts. Its projected trajectory has it arrived in Florida midweek. The cyclone has explosively intensified over the past 24 hours, having just reached Category 1 on Sunday afternoon. Mexican authorities have issued a hurricane warning for the northern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, which is already suffering from heavy rains. In Florida, state and federal government agencies have asked residents on the peninsula's west coast to prepare for one of the largest evacuations since Hurricane Irma in 2017.